That's a Gemma 431B running inside Claude Code. One prompt, it built this entire dashboard script, ran it and printed the output. No GPU on your machine, no $200 subscription. It's running on Ollama's Cloud. Let me show you how to set this up with one command. A few weeks ago, I showed you Gemma 4 running locally. A lot of you tried it and a lot of you hit this 20 GB download and then it ran slow or didn't run at all. And if you wanted to use it inside Claude Code, even more things could go wrong. Today I am fixing the problems at once. Ollama Cloud runs Gemma 431B on Ollama's servers. No download, no GPU needed on your machine. And with one command, Claude Code connects to it directly. Same Claude Code agentic workflow you already know, just powered by a free model. You only need Ollama installed in your computer. For that, you can visit this website ollama.com and copy the command from the dashboard and go back to your terminal, paste that command and submit. That's just one command that does everything. It pulls the cloud model, launches Claude Code with Gemma 4 in a single step. Now let's go back to the Ollama website and search for our model Gemma 4. Here you will notice that you can use Gemma 4 with all of these applications, including Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, OpenClaw. But in this video, we are going to use with Gemma 4. So just copy this command and let's paste it here. But we want to use it with 31B Cloud. So I will just remove this part. And here, if you scroll down, this is 31B Cloud. Copy that and paste it. When you will submit that, if you are doing it for the first time, then it will immediately redirect you to the Ollama login page where you have to log in and authorize yourself. Once you authorize from there, then it will give you access to its cloud and you can use its all cloud models. Now let's submit that. Here you see that Gemma 431B Cloud is loaded in our Claude Code. And you notice that it didn't download 20 gigabytes or anything. It immediately loaded that model in our Claude Code. The actual model runs on Ollama's servers. So Claude Code is running on Gemma 431B now. So let's give it a real task. I'm going to give it a coding task that requires the full agent loop, not just generating code, but creating a file, running it and verifying the output works. So let's submit this prompt. Here I'm just asking it to create a Python script called dashboard.py that generates sample SaaS metrics data, monthly revenue, active users, new signups, churn rate. Prints a formatted terminal dashboard showing 4 metric cards with numbers, trend arrows, a simple ASCII bar chart for monthly revenue, 6 months of data, and a table of 5 recent transactions with name, plan, amount, and status. Use only Python standard library, no pip installs needed. Make the output visually clean with proper spacing and alignment. Run it after creating it. Let's submit that. So you see that it has prepared the code and asking permission to write this file. So let's quickly select the yes option and wait for some time. And now you see that it is asking our permission to run this script that it just generated. So it is asking to run dashboard script to verify output. So select yes. And here we go. You see that it ran the script. It show some part of the output. You can also press Ctrl O to expand to see the full output here. You see the agent loop. It went through, it wrote the file and then executed it. This is the key difference between a coding agent and a chatbot. It doesn't just generate code and hand it back. It runs it and checks the result. Actually run this by ourselves. So let me actually show you in the editor as well. So this is the file that it just generated, all code. And this code looks really clean and well formatted. Now I'm gonna run this script, Python 3 dashboard.py, and look at the result. So you see we have metric cards, a revenue chart, a transaction table, all from one single prompt, built and executed by a 31 billion parameter model running on Ollama's cloud with zero cost. And just to show you, I went to the settings section. You can see my usage on Ollama Cloud website and you see that I just used only 3% of my current session. That is gonna reset within 2 hours. And the weekly usage is just 1.1% used. The usage should be less than this. You see 3% used because I have been playing with this before recording this video. So I was already using this quota. Anyways, so let's proceed. Now let's see how it handles debugging. I have a Python script with multiple bugs, some obvious, some subtle. I'm going to drop it in front of Gemma 4 and see if it finds all of them. So I'm going to create this file. Let's create that. So this is the file that I just created, user_report.py, and this is all of the code. And there are multiple bugs in this code. Now this is my prompt where I'm asking it to look at the user report.py. It has multiple bugs, find every bug, explain what each one is and why it causes a problem, then fix them all, run it after fixing it so I can see the correct output. So let's submit that. So it has figured out all of the bugs. Now it is also fixing in parallel. So I'm going to give it, so I will select the second option to allow all edits during this session. All right. It has fixed all of the bugs. Now it is asking for my permission to run this file to verify the output. So let's give it permission. So you see total 3 bugs: assignment operator instead of equality in the filter, a syntax error that would stop script immediately, the datetime.now missing parenthesis, that's one subtle, easy to miss, and finally in the third bug, the dictionary key without quotes that crashes at runtime. So all 3 found, explained and fixed. Now 2 honest things to know for you. First, the free tier. Ollama's free plan has light usage allocation measured in GPU time, not tokens. A coding session like this fits easily. If you use it heavily every day, then $20 a month gets you 50x more. Still cheaper than most alternatives. The free option is real but not unlimited, as you just saw on my Ollama dashboard as well. And second thing that you must know is that one current limitation, which is Gemma 4 on Ollama Cloud, has a bug with HTML generation specifically. It produces corrupted output with double tags. For Python, shell scripts, JSON, no issues. Just something to know before you try to generate a web page with it. I have tried other ways to run Claude Code for free, OpenRouter, other API proxies. The consistent problem is tool calling. Most free models either don't support it or implement it in a way that breaks Claude Code's agent loop. Gemma 431b has native function calling support. That's why both demos worked end to end. The model creates files, runs them and read the output and loops back. That's not possible with a model that only does text completion. If you want Claude Code to actually work as an agent, not just a code autocomplete, tool calling support is non-negotiable. Gemma 4 on Ollama Cloud has it. One command: Ollama launch Claude -- model Gemma 4. No GPU, no 20 gigabytes, no configuration files, no subscription. Ollama download link is in the description. If you want to see this tackle a bigger project, building a full REST API or setting up a server, then let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.